Let's watch some TV, Mr. Snuggles. Mr. Snuggles, look at that. I'm gonna go get something for us to eat. What the heck? Alright. That was so good. Mr. Snuggles! I don't know what to do. Man, I wonder what else is on TV. The remote stopped working. Alright. What the heck? What the? Where's Mr. Snuggles? I need him. Mr. Snuggles. I'm just gonna go check that out, actually. Ah!